Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be reviewing some hair sent over to me by Wiggins Hair, and in the package they sent over an edge brush, some lashes, of course the Wiggins lace headband just to lay down the lace, 2 wig caps, and the hair. As you guys can see, the wig cap says large because I have a pretty big head and I have a lot of hair. So this is what the lace looks like in the front. The front looks immaculate, very, very clean. I love the hairline, and these curls are just beautiful, like straight out of the box. Okay, so here's what the cap construction looks like. There's absolutely no combs whatsoever, and you secure your wig basically with this headband at the back. So the curls are beautiful, poppin', already set in place. This is not washed, this is straight out of the package. So I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. As you guys know, I always do this. I don't cornrow my hair. So typically I would need a bigger cap construction. Anyway, it was a bit of a struggle putting on this wig, I won't lie. If you have a lot of hair and it's not cornrowed down like how I do it, then you may need more space. So just an FYI. Okay, so the wig is on and the lace is not too visible, but just for a flawless blend, I took my Sephora powder in the shade Deep Ebony, and I'm just gonna blend the lace into my skin complexion just to make it look a little bit more realistic. As I'm combing out these curls, honestly, I could just leave it the way it is, but I'm gonna take my wax stick from Care and just kind of lay down any flyaways just to kind of blend the hairline a little bit better, and just make sure nothing is sticking up and it just has a nice smooth finish. All right, so next up, I'm taking my Cream of Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. So I'm gonna be using this to kind of just lay the lace down a little bit better. This is completely optional, but just to make sure that the blend is there and it just has like a nice smoother finish, I wanna melt it with just using hair mousse. And yeah, so I'm just gonna use that headband from Wiggins just to lay everything down. Right now I'm just contemplating whether or not I want to curl the hair. The curls look pretty uniform, but I'm still trying to decide if I want to curl it with my curling iron or leave it as is. And honestly, it can just be left alone and it's good to go. But just to show you guys, you know, how it looks, let me curl it. So now I'm using my Got To Be Glued spray just to set the curls after I've curled it with my curling iron. And honestly, I think I'm liking the way it looks. I'm going to be obviously doing the entire head to show you guys the difference, but I think having it curled just gives it a more complete and finished look. Okay, so just by looking at the curls, I already love them. They look a lot more natural than how it looked straight out of the package. So I'll definitely be doing the entire head. So yeah, sit back and watch me curl.
So amazing, it's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. 2020, you've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby.
Okay, so we're going to be taking off the lace band to see how everything's set. And girl, do you see this hairline right now? So I'm just adding a little bit of my concealer. This is Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Maple. So just to give it more of a realistic part. And I'm just combing out the curls so it looks a little bit more natural, and I'm loving the volume. This hair has body, you guys. It's thick, it has density. This is legit a body wave unit. So I'm taking a couple pumps of my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum just to add a little bit of shine, tame the flyaways, anything that's out of place. This serum will help kind of tame the hair. And I love the gloss, I love the wave, I love the body. It just feels so good. The hairline looks amazing. And again, no glue is used, no spray either, just in the hair itself. And right now I'm just trying to see if baby hairs would look good. There's a little bit of residue from the wax stick, and that's all I used to set my baby hairs. This is flawless. So I'm loving it. Again, this is the 22-inch body wave pre-cut lace, 5x5 lace closure. And that's it, guys. All the details will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.